All right, we are just gonna practice drawing these triangles. This is the hard part. We're not gonna do these problems, we're just gonna practice drawing the triangles. They tell us the cosine is negative. That tells us where is x negative? Here is the x-axis, we're going left. So it's either gonna be in quadrant 3 or 4, we don't know yet. Now let's look at the second piece of information. This angle is between pi over 2 and pi. Okay, we now know it's in the third quadrant, so we draw our triangle, and notice we're gonna connect it to the x-axis. Are we good with the triangle? Now they tell us that we can put the numbers in and continue the problem, but let's go ahead and put the numbers in. So this is x over r, so we're gonna have a negative, because we're going left, and r is always positive. And then we Pythagorean theorem it to solve for our b, and that's gonna be a positive value going up. Okay, this triangle, the sine is 2/3. All right, well, that's positive. The y value is positive. It's either gonna be in quadrant 1 or quadrant 3, but we don't know yet. Second piece of information is gonna confirm that, tell us which quadrant we're in. They now tell us the second piece of information, the tangent is less than 0. Well, which quadrant is the tangent gonna be negative? The tangent's going to be negative when the signs of x and y are different. So which quadrant has this x and y have different signs? So it's going to be right there. Okay, now 2/3, how are we going to put that information on? It's going to be y over the radius, so that's going to be 2, and then 2 makes sense that it's going up and it's positive, and the radius is always positive. And then you Pythagorean theorem it to figure out this missing length, and whatever you get when you write it on here, it needs to be negative because we're going left.